My name is Mohan. I am studying in first standard. My school name is San Philomena High School in Chandapura.
Gnanapita Award winners from Karnataka.
Nanapita was winners from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dr. Bendri, Shivalamkar, Vasti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Goka, U.R. Ananthamurthy, Girish Karnar, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance forms of India: Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri Manipur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Odissi Odisha, Satriya Assam, Turkey dance Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya Gujarat, Yakshagana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Averi, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National festivals: January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean.
Types of soil found in India.
Types of soil found in India: there are 6 major soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, desert soil, marginate soil, mountain soil.
Parts of speech.
Parts of speech: there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara of Lord Vishnu: Vasya, Kurma, Varaha, Vasima, Vamana, Pasurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Ritus: Vasanta Ritu, Grishma Ritu, Varsha Ritu, Sarada Ritu, Hemanta Ritu, Shishira Ritu.
Women's freedom fighters of India.
Women's freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Sapale, Chaitra Kripalani, Kittu Rani Chennamma, Keladi Chennamma, Onake Opova, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Rai, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulakeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavarsha, Madakari Nayaka, Kitturani Chennamma, Akka Bukka, Jaya Chamaraja Vadeya, Kempe Gowda.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, Christian education and right to constitutional remedies.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, PR, Patan, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shivam, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttaranchal, Dehelu, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Preamble.
Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into the sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political expression, beliefs, equal, and to promote among more sacrality, assuring the dignity of the individual, of the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do we hereby adopt, amend, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Belgavi, Dharwad, Gargan, Haveri, Uttara Kannada, Vijayapura, Bengaluru Urban, Bengaluru Rural, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga, Davangere, Kolar, Shivamoga, Tumkur, Ramanagara, Bellari, Bidar, Kalburgi, Koppala, Raichur, Yadagiri, Chamarajanagar, Chikmagaluru, Dakshin Kannada, Hasan, Kodagu, Mandya, Mysore, Udupi.
10 मुख्य उपनिषद.
10 मुख्य उपनिषद: ईशावास्य उपनिषद, केन उपनिषद, कथा उपनिषद, मंडूक्य उपनिषद, प्रश्न उपनिषद, ऐतिह्य उपनिषद, तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद, छंदोग्य उपनिषद, बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद.
Epics of India.
Epics of India, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Prime Ministers of India.
Friends of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Moraji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, T.V. Narasimha, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Puranas.
Puranas: Agni Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Brahma Vaimata Purana, Garuda Purana, Kurma Purana, Linga Purana, Vayve Purana, Varaha Purana, Skanda Purana, Vishnu Purana. Thank you.